Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started. Today I'm making a vegetable dish, winter melon with soybeans. So let's review the ingredients. I have a piece of a winter melon here, and these are soybeans. They're also known as edamame beans, and they're available in the freezer or refrigerated section of the Asian market. I have a piece of green onion, garlic, cornstarch slurry, vegetable broth, white pepper, seasoning salt mix, Shaoxing wine, and sesame oil. For the prep, let's begin with cutting the winter melon. And as you can see, winter melon is seeded and has a nice white flesh, and the skin is a pale green color and it's very thin, but also has a chalky texture, and the flavor is fairly mild and bland, so it can soak up a lot of flavors. We'll remove the seeds. I'm just using a spoon. And the flesh has a water-rich texture, which is similar to the watermelon. So we'll cut it in pieces here, and we'll skin it. And you know, winter melon can grow up to like 35 pounds. So when you pick it up at the market, it's cut in like 2 to 2.5 pound sections. Just cut off the skin. And winter melon is used a lot for a soup, but this is also a nice way to eat it. Kind of quick braised with the soybeans. We'll cut it in half. Cut it into like 1/2-inch chunks. You don't want to cut it too thin, or else it'll fall apart when it's cooking. And next we'll mince the garlic. That looks good. And finally we'll mince the green onion. Okay, so all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, the pan is set at medium-high heat. We'll add some oil. Add the garlic. Add the winter melon. Add the soybeans. We'll add the seasoning. Add a seasoning salt mix, white pepper, sesame oil, Shaoxing wine. Add the vegetable stock. Let this come up to a boil. Once it comes back up to a boil, cover it and let it simmer for about 7 to 8 minutes, and we'll be back to check on it. Okay, 7 minutes has elapsed. Let's check on this. Oh, you can tell the winter melon is done. It's become translucent. let's add the green onions. And we'll thicken the sauce with a little bit of the cornstarch slurry. Okay, this looks good. Turn the heat off. Let's serve this. And here we have a tasty plate of winter melon with soybeans. This is a wonderful vegetarian dish. The winter melon has a nice soft texture, and you also get the sweet tenderness of the soybeans. Enjoy! Okay, so let's see if Shadow likes it. Oh, yummy. She likes winter melon too. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Remember to check out my Facebook page. Good girl.